Welcome back, beautiful family. Today I want to share with you a very delicious Christmas cookie. After you enjoy the amazing dinner, you are ready for a hot cocoa or a hot chocolate. You want to enjoy this delicious cookie. This cookie is a Christmas cookie with fig filling that I know you guys are going to love. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. To prepare this Christmas cookie, these are the ingredients. Of course, you need a cookie cutter, vanilla extract, 1 egg at room temperature, granulated sugar, cornstarch, a pinch of salt, unsalted butter, all-purpose flour, and of course the star, the fig jam. This is everything we need to prepare this delicious and amazing Christmas cookie. So let's get started. Of course, I want to start first with the dry ingredients. I am going to sift them. I have the all-purpose flour, cornstarch, a pinch of salt, and these cookies, holiday cookies, are going to come out amazing. Very few ingredients, but the taste is just delicious. I'm adding the sugar. I'm going to incorporate all the dry ingredients before I start adding the rest of the ingredients. Let me tell you, this amazing Christmas cookie is perfect. It's not too sweet. It's just perfect. When you are done with an amazing dinner, then you can enjoy this amazing cookie with a hot coffee or hot cocoa. I'm adding the unsalted butter and I'm adding the vanilla extract. Once you add it in there, remember, add your room temperature egg. And then you are ready to incorporate everything with the spatula. Remember that the unsalted butter needs to be at room temperature so that it really mixes into the dry ingredients. It's easy for you. Try to incorporate it with the spatula. Once you do that, then of course, you are ready to start using your hand and start kneading everything until you create a ball of dough. Look at this. I know you're going to think that you need to add something else, more liquid, but no. Just take your time, knead it really good, and then you will have a ball of dough. Look at this. Once you have your ball of dough, then you are going to cut it in the middle, make 2 portions. One portion is going to be for the bottom of the cookie, and the other portion is going to be for the top of the cookie. So here I am ready to get out my rolling pin and start rolling out my dough. Look at this. I added some all-purpose flour on my working table, and now I am ready to roll out this dough. Believe me, this cookie comes out delicious. It's not too sugary, and it's just perfect with the coffee. Once you roll out your dough, it needs to be 1/2 inch thick so that you can make your cookies. You choose what kind of cookie cutter you want to use. I am using a SnowFlake. Of course, it's for the holidays, it's for Christmas. And of course, if you have little ones at home, bring them in the kitchen, have them help you. And here's my cookie cutter, and I'm going to start getting the cookies out. Look, making these cookies, like I said, they are 1/2 inch thick. Don't make them too thin or don't make them too thick. They all have to be almost in the same size so that they cook at the same time. I added it to my baking dish, and I'm going to continue getting all these cookies out And of course, when you're done, you're going to have leftover dough. Put it in a ball one more time and roll it out. Once you roll it out, you continue making the bottom of this delicious cookie. Look at this. You're not going to throw away any batter. I am going to continue getting the bottom of this cookie ready for the oven. Once this is done, let me show you how they look. This is the bottom portion of the cookie. I have preheated my oven to 350 and they're going to go in the oven for only 10 minutes. While that's in the oven, I am going to continue getting the other ball of dough to make the top of the cookie. Very easy to prepare, a little time consuming, but why not enjoy a delicious cookie with your beautiful family? Once this is done, I am going to help myself, putting little circles, getting little circles out of every single one. And those little circles I'm not going to throw away. I am going to bake them and make little sandwiches out of them. I am going to continue making the little holes on those cookies. Look at that. You're going to get about 45 cookies out of this recipe. Of course, you're going to have all the ingredients in the description box. Once the cookies come out, this is the bottom portion. I am going to lay them here so that they start cooling down. They are white from the top and golden brown from the bottom. And of course, I have my dried fig jam that I'm going to add to the cookies. And let me show you the texture from inside. It's really smooth, thick. You could really see the little seeds of the fig fruit. I love this jam. And here I have a little bit of confectioner's sugar that I'm going to add on the top. But first, I am going to coat the cookie so that the next cookie sticks to the cookie on the bottom. And once you've organized that, then I am going to add a little bit of confectioner's sugar right on the top. Now I'm ready to add the filling in the center. Be very careful so the filling doesn't run all over the place. This is nice and thick. Look at this. Look how beautiful this looks. Let me make one more so that you see how easy it is to do it. And like I said, if you have little ones at home, have them help you. They are going to start loving baking and cooking with you. Look at this. Very easy. The taste of this cookie is delicious. The flavor. Well, once you coat it and you add both cookies, you're going to sprinkle a little bit of the confectioner's sugar on the top and then add your filling in the center. It's about half a teaspoon that I'm adding to every single one. I am going to stay doing the rest and I'll show you when I'm done. If you liked and loved this recipe, please leave me a thumbs up. Share this video on social media so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Thank you so much for being here. Can't wait to enjoy. I'll see you in a little bit. My friends, I am completely done with these amazing Christmas cookies. Of course, After the long day, you can enjoy a delicious hot coffee or hot cocoa with these amazing Christmas cookies. But this is the part I really love and enjoy, tasting my recipes. Excuse me. Amazing. I hope, my friends, you make these amazing cookies. They come out delicious. And with the delicious feeling of the figs, you name it. If you liked and loved this recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification bell, and if you did, leave it activated, so every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. Like, subscribe, and share, and see you on my next delicious recipe. Bye-bye.